everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, the weather's getting really cold outside, and I think it's perfect time to actually have a little bit of hot chocolate. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a classic hot chocolate, and then I'm going to show you guys how to make the adult version. Okay, so for this drink, I'm just going to show you how to make a simple hot chocolate from scratch, no packets required, super simple, right on the stove, one pot deal, bang, you're done. And then we're going to add alcohol to it. And yeah, there are going to be toasted marshmallows. Duh. And as always, if you enjoyed this week's video, please feel free to give it a like and also share it, because it really does help this channel grow by helping it reach a broader audience. And also, if you're a real fan of the show, feel free to subscribe so you get notifications each time a new show comes out, which is usually about 2 or 3 times a week. Alright, well, the weather ain't getting any warmer, so let's go make some hot chocolate. And then some adult hot chocolate. And that's how easy it is to make hot chocolate from scratch. Nothing too fancy, nothing too difficult, just a straight up classic. Alright, so that's all I have time for this week. Stop by next week where I'm going to be making something with cranberry or pumpkin, because all the basic bitches are out in full force now. I'll see you then.